Now pronunciation. We'll start with easy consonant sound. Watch my mouth and repeat. But wait, before we learn new sounds, let's remember part 1. Do you remember how to introduce yourself? Let's test your memory. Question number 1. Look at this sentence. I from Italy. Is this correct? No, it is wrong. What is missing? Yes, the verb be. The correct sentence is I am from Italy. Don't say Italy or Italy. Te is not pronounced here. Say de, Italy. Or I'm from Italy. Question number 2. I ask, you answer. Say it out loud. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Perfect. You are ready for the next step. Let's look at the sounds. Okay, now let's wake up the mouth a little. We start with 3 easy sounds: B, P, and M. The good news is your lips are doing most of the work. Your tongue can relax for a second. Lucky tongue. First letter is B. B. Listen. Bat, bag, ball. Your lips close, then open. Small pop, like b, 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 ball. Now you say ball. Did you say that? Okay. Good. Next one is P. Sound P. Same lips but more airs. Look at this paper. I'm gonna repeat the B sound, okay? Like bat. Bat, bat, ball, ball, and bag, bag, bag. Now I'm gonna say P sound, okay? So, pen, pig, pot. Pen, pig, pot. Put your hand here, okay? Can you feel the that little puff? Pen, pen. See that? Now you say pen. Did you say that? Nice. Now M. M sound like m, m. Like map, man, milk. Okay? Lips closed, voice on. Mm, mm. See? My lips are closed, but my voice is on. Mm. It's like your mouth is humming. Like milk, milk. Now say it with me. Ball, pen, milk. One more time. Ball, pen, milk. Let me try this with paper. Ball, pen, milk. See? Beautiful. Your mouth is officially employed. Okay, now T. T sound like t, 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 t. Tongue behind top teeth. Tongue behind top teeth, like this. Okay? Like 10 top T. Okay? Now D sound. Like dog, door, day. Same place as T, but voice on. What I mean is you should produce voice. When you want to say T, you don't produce any voice, okay? There is no any voice. But when you want to produce, when you want to say D, you should produce voice, okay? So look at my mouth. See, there is no any voice. But now I produce voice. De. Now I don't produce any voice. So when I produce voice, it will become sound like D, okay? But when you don't produce any voice, it would be T, like 10 top T, and for the D, dog, door, day. Same place as T. Perfect. Okay, now 3 sounds that cause a lot of drama. F, V, and W. Tiny mouth movement, big life problems. First, F. F sound like fan, fish, fun. Let's try it by a paper. Fan, fish, fun. See, air comes out. And top teeth touch the bottom lips. Look at me. Fan, fish, fun. Just air. Now your turn. Say fan. Did you say that? Okay, then good. Now the V sound. V sound. Like van, with, vine. Same mouth as F, but now voice on. We don't say, there is no any sound on, okay? But when you want to say V, the sound is on. Look, but fan, van. And touch your throat, okay? And say v. You should feel the vibration. If you feel it, it's correct. That's V. Like van. Now your turn. Say van. Did you say that? Okay, nice. Now the famous troublemaker. W. Sound like we. Ooh. So did you hear the sound? Ooh. Like we, win, water, or work, what. Round your lips, no teeth on the lips, okay? So round your lips, no teeth on the lips. For example, I'm gonna say first V and secondly W. But see? Now listen. Water, not water. If you say water, it's wrong. You should say water. Say it with me. Water, waste, west, wine. Excellent. Today we saved water and we also saved the letter W. Now let's talk about a classic English fight. R versus L. These two have confused millions of learners. You are not alone. First R. R sound like re. r, r, r. See? Like red, rain, run. Don't let it touch here, okay? So, rain, rain, run, run, and red, red. Your tongue shouldn't touch your teeth, okay? Like run, rain, and red. Now L. L sound l, 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 le, le. Like leg, lamp, look. The tongue touches behind the top teeth. Like right, right, light, light, right, light. Road, load, road, load. Glass, glass, grass, grass. Now you with me. Right, light, right, light. If they sound the same right now, don't panic. That just means you are human, okay? Now, some letters are not loyal. They don't always make one sound. For example, C. Sometimes C says K like cat, and sometimes C says S like in city. So sometimes C says K like in cat, and sometimes C says S like city. Same letter, different personality. And G, same story. Like go giant. First we say go like ge, and secondly we say giant like G. Because English likes surprises. Now S and H when they are together. Shh, like be quiet. Sheep, shop, shoe. Sheep, shop, shoe. Now C and H when they are together. Like chair, chicken, chocolate. Very useful, very delicious. Now the celebrity sound, TH, the most hardest one, especially for Iranians. This one scares people, but we are brave. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth, like this. See? First, no voice. Think, thin, thank. Think. Now, with voice. This, that, they. TH, this. Think, this, thank, they. Beautiful, right? If you look a little weird while saying TH is perfect, that means you are probably doing it right, like me. Good job today. English sounds can be tricky, but practice makes it easy. Here is your homework before part 3. Exercise number 1, the paper test. Hold a piece of paper in front of your mouth. Say B, the paper is still. Say P, the paper moves. Try it. Exercise number 2, the neck test. Put your hand on your neck. Say F, no vibration. Say, feel the vibration. Voice on, practice this with T and D too. Exercise number 3, the mirror test. Look in a mirror for the TH sound. Your tongue must be between your teeth. Say thank you. Say this. Do these 3 tests every day. Write I did it in the comments when you finish. See you in part 3. Beautiful human, keep going.